Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 5 of human resource management. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What is the main focus of training? A. Career growth. B. Job performance. C. Behavior change. D. Long-term planning. Answer for this question is B. Job performance. Question number 2. Development is mainly for dash. A. Clerks. B. Technicians. C. Managers. D. Interns. C. Answer is C. Managers. Question number 3. Which one is a short-term process? A. Coaching. B. Development. C. Education. D. Training. The answer for this question is D. Training. Question number 4. The key objective of education is to dash. A. To solve problems. B. Meet organizational needs. C. Fulfill individual needs. D. Improve supervision. The answer for this question is C. Fulfill individual needs. Question number 5. Training programs help reduce dash. A. Market share. B. Job satisfaction. C. Scrap and waste. D. Product price. The answer for this question is C. Scrap and waste. Question number 6. Which method suits technical skill training best? A. Case study. B. Lecture. C. On the job. D. Role play. The answer for this question is C. On the job. Question number 7. A manager wanted to train to learn in real conditions. What should he use? A. Vestibular training. B. Seminar. C. Coaching. D. Conference. The answer for this question is A. Vestibular training. Question number 8. A company rotates workers among jobs. This is called dash. A. Role play. B. Job rotation. C. Case study. D. Counseling. The answer for this question is B. Job rotation. Question number 9. To train many employees at once, the best method is dash. A. Role play. B. On the job. C. Off the job. D. Coaching. The answer is C. Off the job. Question number 10. A trainer uses lectures and videos. This step is called dash. A. Evaluation. B. Performance tryout. C. Conducting training. D. Feedback. The answer for this question is C. Conducting training. Question number 11. Which is disadvantage of off-the-job training? A. Motivate staff. B. Cost effective. C. Low transfer rate. D. Less structure. The answer for this one is C. Low transfer rate. Question number 12. Which symptom indicates a need for training? A. High motivation. B. Low turnover. C. Frequent accidents. D. Pay rises. The answer for this question is C. Frequent accidents. Question number 13. What type of training blends both job and classroom setting? A. Job rotation. B. Off the job. C. Coaching. D. Vegetable training. The answer for this question is D. Vegetable training. Question number 40. Which method is best to teach decision making? A. Case study. B. Coaching. C. Job posting. D. Lecturing. The answer for this question is A. Case study. Question number 15. What should be done first in creating a training program? A. Evaluate trainers. B. Set schedule. C. Need assessment. D. Select materials. The answer for this question is C. Need assessments. Question number 16. Which training step involves checking job performance? A. Conducting. B. Performance tryout. C. Feedback. D. Instruction. The answer for this question is B. Performance tryout. Question number 17. A trainer wants to build leadership. Which is most suitable? A. Job shadowing. B. Role play. C. Group lecture. D. Technical test. The answer for this question is B. Role play. Question number 18. Which is most useful to promote ethical practice in managers? A. Bonus plans. B. Counseling. C. Development programs. D. Onboarding. The answer for this question is C. Development program. Question number 19. Why may on-the-job training be ineffective? A. It is too detailed. B. No classroom setup. C. Large training group. D. No visual aid. The answer for this question is C. Large training group. Question number 20. Which shows successful training evaluation? A. Same work habits. B. Higher absenteeism. C. Improved productivity. D. Fewer staff reports. The answer is C. Improved productivity. Okay, this is all about presentation on question and answer of chapter 5. Thank you for attending this program.